As a project management expert, I often encounter questions about the adoption rates of various tools in the market. One solution that consistently sparks curiosity due to its unique approach to project management is Basecamp. Unlike some of its competitors that strive to be all-encompassing enterprise solutions, Basecamp has always championed simplicity, clarity, and a focused set of features for team collaboration and project organization. This distinct philosophy often leads people to wonder, how many companies actually use Basecamp? While pinpointing an exact, real-time number of companies using any private software can be challenging, we can draw from publicly available data and company statements to provide a clear picture. Based on recent information, it's estimated that around 75,000 companies globally utilize Basecamp for their project management needs. This number might seem different from the millions of individual users also reported, around 3.3 million worldwide. The distinction here is important. 75,000 refers to the number of organizations or businesses that have subscribed to and implemented Basecamp, while the larger figure represents the total number of individuals who log into Basecamp to manage their work within those companies. This highlights Basecamp's pricing model, which has historically been a flat fee per company, regardless of the number of users, making it particularly attractive for growing teams. Basecamp's journey in the project management landscape began in 1999, originally as an internal tool for a web design company named 37 Signals, which later rebranded to Basecamp. Its creators, Jason Fried and David Heinemeier Hansen, saw a need for a simpler, more streamlined way to manage projects and communicate with clients, contrasting with the overly complex and feature-heavy software prevalent at the time. This philosophy of less is more has remained a core tenet of Basecamp's design and marketing. So, who are these 75,000 companies? While Basecamp serves a wide array of industries and company sizes, some patterns emerge from available data. It's particularly popular among small and medium-sized businesses. SMBs. The simplicity and flat-rate pricing often resonate deeply with smaller companies that need an effective project management tool without the overhead or complexity of larger enterprise solutions. Creative agencies, marketing, advertising, and design agencies frequently leverage Basecamp for managing creative projects, client communication, and iterative feedback cycles. Its focus on message boards and file sharing aligns well with the collaborative nature of these industries. Tech and IT services. While some tech companies opt for more specialized development tools, many use Basecamp for managing internal projects, product launches, or client-facing IT services due to its straightforward organization of tasks and communication. Remote and distributed teams. Basecamp's asynchronous communication tools, like message boards and automatic check-ins, are particularly well-suited for teams spread across different locations and time zones, enabling clear communication without the need for constant real-time meetings. Educational institutions and nonprofits. Basecamp often offers discounts or free plans for educational and nonprofit organizations, further increasing its adoption in these sectors for managing academic projects, events, or fundraising initiatives. It's important to acknowledge that the project management software market is highly competitive. Basecamp operates alongside giants like Asana, Trello, Monday.com, ClickUp, and Smartsheet, each vying for market share with their distinct feature sets and pricing models. While Basecamp may not boast the sheer number of companies that some broader enterprise platforms do, its enduring presence and consistent user base of tens of thousands of companies underscore its effectiveness for a specific segment of the market. The longevity of Basecamp, now over 2 decades old, is a testament to its value proposition. This approach to project management emphasizes centralized communication. All project-related discussions, decisions, and files are kept in one place, reducing reliance on scattered emails and chat messages. Clear ownership. To-do lists with assignees ensure everyone knows who is responsible for what. Structured progress tracking. While not as feature-rich in traditional Gantt charts or complex reporting as some tools, Basecamp's Hill chart and simple completion tracking provide a clear sense of where a project stands. Focus on asynchronous work. This is a crucial element of Basecamp's philosophy, encouraging thoughtful communication over immediate responses, which can be particularly beneficial for deep work and distributed teams.